On this episode of American Detour, we attempt to build a race truck for $200 and then blow it up.
Oh my God!
Here we are, we're in Tyler's Grapple's barn right now, working on our new truck. This is a 97 S10 that we dubbed the Race 10. It has a 4.3 V6 in it, two-wheel drive, nothing really special. But we just painted it this candy apple red with farm tractor paint and stuff, and it actually looks pretty good. Ultimate goal with this truck is to go Shady Bull racing. If you've never heard of Shady Bull, it's this little track here in Ohio. I think altogether it's about a quarter mile, and it's in a circle, and the speeds are pretty quick. They race Legends cars. They have spectator racing, which is what we're planning on racing, possibly, we're not sure yet. But we need to take it racing, and that's our plan. Right now we're just getting it ready, and the safety is very minimal, so it's perfect for us. Look at that crease and cream.
Snap on. Lots of snap on. Snap on, fixed head, long handle, $150. Snap on 3/8 mini compact, $80. All right, go for it. Hold on, I'll pull the distributor back out and slide it over another tooth.
Duct tape. It's the worldwide fixer of
Everything.
yeah. When Tyler loses stuff. But see, this is extra strength. It's diamond plate, so you know it is super adhesively. So now we're gonna use that to hold on the distributor cap.
I'm gonna duct tape the distributor cap to the distributor because the screw has went AWOL.
Go.
It's day 2. Tyler's got the truck timed up pretty well, I think, and I think it's time to go do some actual burnouts in this truck because it's raining, the road's slick, and I think we can burn these tires off.
This is day 2. We're gonna run the heck out of this thing. Yeet. It's coming all on the exhaust, but it blew up from up here. Maybe it's from this. I blew a hose off. I didn't clamp it down. I didn't realize it. We're good now. I'm ready to go. We'll burn it one more time, see how it does. If it had been a head gasket, I would have sold it to some kid at school that wants to buy it, and I'd have let him race it at the White Trash 5000. No, there's actually a race that they're starting in the back of a woods called White Trash 5000.
Hey, Tyler.
Yo. Oh, I guess that's just all the old coolant burning off.
Alright, so I just went and did one wheel peels out on the road, and not only is the transmission not wanting to shift whatsoever,
No, transmission shifts.
it shifts,
The
but
linkage is stretched.
the linkage is bad. So now we're putting on taillights for some reason because Tyler feels like he wants to be legal, and then we're gonna go back to doing some more burnouts and see how we can do. We also got weight thrown out of bed, so it'll do better burnouts.
Keep coming. Keep coming. You're good. No, my front wheel's too Keep far. Coming.
Now that we got all the weight thrown out of bed, I think it's time to go thrash this truck pretty hard. Along with Luke's new Jeep that he bought. It's a little 89 Jeep Cherokee Laredo that he bought, and he did a little bit of work to it and things, so we figured, we'll bring it out here and thrash it also.
Hey, your gas cap.
I have a strap.
Tug it, truck versus Jeep.
4.0 versus 4.3.
Yeah, I think he's got me beat.
Luke, you want to explain what that noise is?
My leaf spring in the back, you know, where it gets rusty with all these old Cherokees. It's not really connected. The shackle kind of broke in half, and I haven't really fixed it yet. It'll be okay.
You shut off?
Yeah, never heated. Spray painted the, you put the stop hole slide on there?
You got any oil?
That's not mine.
Oh my god!
Holy
Oh my god! That was such an awful idea!
Do you hear the knocking?
That thing's knocking really hard, dude. Yeah.
Be like, oh, you blew the truck up. And be like, I paid $200. It was already knocking. The few burnouts here and there around it.
So So we know exactly what you're thinking. You're sitting there thinking, wait a second, they didn't go racing with the truck like they said they were. Well, we know. We wanted to, but the truck blew up before we got the chance. After having fun in the field that day, Tyler's driving the truck home and the engine kept clattering and making even more banging noises and knocking, and ultimately the truck no longer runs. So, will we scrap it? Will we get it fixed? Will we put a V8 in it? Or will we use some other car to go racing? Well, you have to watch a new episode to find out because we're not really sure ourselves.